So the last tool I want to show you is the color range. And what the color range is going to select based on color. So when I click this is my favorite way to use it. I am going to click on skin and see how it's mostly selecting the skin tones. You can refine it over here by kind of removing some of it or adding all the way. Obviously, the more you add, the more it's going to include, but I think somewhere around there is good. It's mostly the skin without anything else in the background. And once I have that, guys, I go straight into decreasing the clarity and decreasing the texture. And now we have a perfect, glowy, soft skin. That's before, that's after. Let me get up close so you can see that's before and that's after. So you can add a little bit of a glow. You can add a lot too. Of course, you know me as an editor, I'm always less is more, but you can do this with one click, which means there's no brushing over, there's no going into Photoshop for it. You can easily soften skin with one click.